everybody, this your girl TattooRika right here, and right now I'm about to react to the Princess Rap Battle, Harley Quinn and Birds of Prey. So I saw this came out a couple of days ago, and Maurice Picard wanted me to react to this, so shouts out to you. So look, I fucks with Harley Quinn. She's my dog. She my hyena. How's that? But anyway, let's get into this. Let's go.
This video is sponsored by Warner Brothers.
Warner Brothers, I want y'all to sponsor me, please.
Princess Rap Battle.
Starring me, Harley freaking Quinn.
Ain't you the Joker's girl?
Actually, we broke up. It was very mutual, and I am not at all upset.
Okay.
Gotta pay your respects. I am crazy. Complex. You have this anarchy protagonist met a villainous ex. It all started back when I was Dr. Harleen Quinzel, Arkham's clinical psychologist. The gist is, I fell for a felon. Clearly criminally insane, and then I fell into a vat that changed my skin tone and my name. I may have lost my mind, but now I'm back on the grind. This little monster's free, and she's no longer defined as the sidekick of the rogue that oppressed her. Harley Queen's holding court, and I don't need a jester. Been through denial, depression, bargaining, and now I'm just pissed. I'm putting do what I wanna at the top of the list. I've never been a quitter, cause my heart's full of glitter. No one can stop me.
There she is. Get her.
Hundreds, let's go! Bitch, you gonna look at her like she shot the arrow. Let's go!
Who are you?
Do you know who I am?
I literally just asked, so no.
Oh, call me Huntress. The daughter who uncannily survived the brutal massacre when mobsters killed my family, so now I pay respects with every shot that connects. Badass assassin putting bolts through their necks.
Yep.
A smoke show with a crossbow, and I constantly embarrass these bozos who oppose the secret Bertinelli heiress. Payback's my motive, and my methods are vicious, cause these spaghetti slurping slimeballs out to sleep with the fishes. I murder mafioso mofos, and I'm out for revenge.
See, that kind of moxie means we gotta be friends.
I don't really have friends.
Well, you do now, honey. Oh, let's go get some drinks bought with someone else's money.
Let's go, Black Canary. Get it, girl.
Bartender, a couple shots. Put it on Roman's tab.
Make it 3.
Dinah, how you been?
What the cat dragged in? I haven't seen you since the split. How you holding up, Quinn?
Fantabulous and fabulous. Full steam ahead.
Then it's a crying shame that my boss wants you dead.
What else is new?
Well, without your ex's protection, he'll peel that pretty face off for his private collection.
Oh, so now you belong to Mr. Roman Sionis?
Give it
That
back
rich
now.
dickhole only wishes he owned this. Sassy songbird tyrant stuck here sitting waiting my turn. Thinking someday soon I'll have to rise up and burn this whole crooked, wicked criminal club to the ground. I swear on my mama's grave I wanna clean up this town. When this vocalist crescendos, you know that I end foes. I'm the belted baddest bombshell that can shatter glass windows. I'm tough, but can't make enough change on my own.
I don't see why you should have to do it alone.
Sure, like you take my side if I decided to quit.
Yep, and my mobster-killing friend here is fucking legit.
You know, you're the first soprano I haven't wanted to whack. I could stand to have a gal like you watching my back.
I swear to
They do
God,
this shit so
really
fucking
peas in a
cool.
pod.
A girl gang in Gotham? Can we please form a squad? Alright, Quinn, I'm in.
Sweet, what's the plan? We send them a message and stick it to the man.
Oh, he Roman.
Uh-huh.
You got dirt on that jerk? Years of it. Perfect. This might actually work. He'll be here soon. There's no time to waste.
Having friends is fun. Let's cut to the chase.
Boy, you about to get your ass kicked. Stupid.
Wake up, Roman. Good morning.
Pay attention, dipshit. This is your only warning.
Oh, why does he look so grumpy?
He'd look prettier if he smiled.
Possible personality disorder from being dropped as a child.
If you want him dead, I'll
Damn.
make it look like a hit. Hell, I'd smoke this truck myself, but I've been trying to quit.
No, this'll be a blast. We don't have to hold back. Just a one-sided battle rap emancipation diss track. What an original original gangsta. Big fan. Gotta ask, are you the first dude in Gotham to hide behind a black mask?
Consider this my resignation. I'm done working for freaks. You don't get 2 weeks. Y'all can kiss both cheeks.
And Bruley Jean Zaz, that little scarred up spaz. That sycophant sadist is really all that he has.
You're a self-obsessed narcissist, a thin-skinned goon who went bankrupt while choking on Daddy's silver spoon.
Here's the message, Sionis. Let us be perfectly clear. Stay out of our way or you might disappear. I'm Harley freaking Quinn with a brand new crew, leaving clowns in the dust and the joke's on you. I'm crazier and fearless, and I goddamn guarantee all of Gotham's scared of you when they should be scared of me.
Look how you looking.
So now what?
Wanna go see a movie?
This video
Get
is still
that.
sponsored by Warner Brothers.
Yeah, y'all sponsor that girl because that shit was awesome. And I love these. I gotta go back to doing the princess rap battles, man. Oh goodness, that's too good. That was too good. Straight up. Just imagine though, like if people pissed them off and it was like they PMSing is that time of the month. Just imagine how fucking crazy they go. Black Canary scream your fucking head off. She'll pull a Sindel move, like straight up. And then on top of that, Huntress ass, she'll probably like put like 40 fucking arrows in your ass, like straight up. And then the hardest, she just gonna beat your ass with the bat, like straight up. And she gonna stick the hyenas on you, like straight. If there was like PMSing. Boy, though, do I think if they was to come across the Joker, could they take him? They'll probably whoop his ass real good, but they'll probably no. Then again, I don't know because I think Joker will just shoot all 3 of them, or at least shoot the 2 of them, and then like manipulate Harley to come back to him. We gonna see. They also need to put, and look, it happened in the comics. Harley and Poison Ivy got married. Y'all need to figure that shit out. Like, that should be our next movie, WB. And since I did say it out loud, I expect a check because I said it. Period. Anyway, so shout out to Moise Picard. Look, I got a New Orleans accent. I say things wrong. It is what it is. It's who I am. Love you too. But I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Check out all my other videos. And I'm going to catch y'all for the next one. Later.